Hi guys, this is Nico Cooper with Neon Art. All right, so that little glimpse probably gave you an idea of what this piece is, and we'll give it one little go again. See if you can identify it. Look at the hat of the way it goes up and down like a wave. And there's one school that was very famous for that. Yes, Gassan. So that's it. We have this beautiful, 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 beautiful wakashi. It's at the bordered line of a katana, so it's 57 or just over 57, almost 58 centimeters. Nagasa. You can even see the nakugo. The nakugo is very old. This is a early to mid Muromachi period. Um, and take a peek at that, guys. Famous Gassan. Look at that beautiful, beautiful kind of gnome choji, a little bit hamon. But you can see the utsuri from the all along. So Gassan was very famous for this wavy hada, and it was a secret that was passed down in the school, and it's called Aisugi style hada. Let's see if I can get a better view of this. At that, marvelous. So I just had a wakizashi, sorry, a tanto a few weeks ago, signed, really rare, specifically to a smith, not just Gasan. We most often saw just Gasan um, to the school, but this was the actual smith's name was written down, which was quite rare. So here is a piece that was similar to that period. There you go. Look at that. So really, really healthy blade, like phenomenally healthy blade. A bit of streaks there from the wipe down, but good polish. Um, yeah, yeah. Look at that hat. So staple. It's a staple school. Everyone's collection. This one, friends, will be very well priced. Um, I'm introducing this. So this is meant to be a quick little sale. So we should see this in the threes US. Nihontoart.com, guys. Come and get your Gasan. There's very, very few people that I know um, that aren't fond of this school or tradition. We saw it last all the way till uh, Showa or Meiji period, where we saw like Sadakatsu's um, Chi. You know, this this line lasted a very, very long time. Thanks, guys.